No food, no rest, no land. This bird sees something guiding it, something we're completely blind to. Every fall, bar-tailed godwits leave Alaska. They fly straight across the Pacific Ocean, non-stop, for 8 days. How? From Alaska to New Zealand, the distance from New York to Australia. Inside their eyes, there's a protein, cryptochrome 4. When blue light hits it, electrons start jumping 4 times between 4 molecules. That creates radical pairs, pairs of molecules spinning in opposite directions. And Earth's magnetic field, a force 1,000,000 times weaker than a fridge magnet, shifts how they spin. The bird's brain reads that shift as a pattern, not like a compass pointing north, like lines painted across the sky, bright where the field is strong, dim where it's weak. A map that moves with the bird's head. It's called quantum mechanics, the same physics that powers computers, happening inside a bird's eye. Right now, when the bird leaves Alaska, its body knows what's coming. Organs shrink. Fat doubles. By takeoff, half its body weight is fuel. It flies for 8 days, loses half that weight, lands in New Zealand, exhausted, starving, but exactly where it needs to be. We invented GPS to find our way. 30 satellites, billions of dollars. They were born seeing the map, 11,000 kilometers. No technology, just a protein in their eyes. Right now, billions of birds are crossing oceans, seeing magnetic fields like we see colors. We built machines to navigate. They just open their eyes. Nature hides. We reveal.